Warfare has always been a struggle for advantage. Armies build fortresses, they dig trenches. Throughout history, the quest for a strategic edge has driven military innovation. From the ancient castles of medieval Europe to the elaborate trench systems of World War I, the goal has always been the same: to protect and outmaneuver the enemy. They seek any way to protect themselves from the enemy. Defensive strategies have evolved, incorporating natural landscapes and man-made structures to create formidable barriers. In modern times, this has led to the development of bunkers. These underground fortresses are a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of security. These underground structures are designed to withstand even the most powerful attacks. They are built to endure the unthinkable, providing a safe haven in the midst of chaos. Bunkers can be deep underground. The deeper they are, the more protection they offer against surface attacks. They often have thick walls of concrete and steel. These materials are chosen for their strength and durability, capable of withstanding immense pressure and impact. This makes them incredibly difficult to destroy. The challenge of penetrating these fortifications has led to the development of specialized weaponry. The challenge of bunkers is not new. Throughout history, military engineers have sought ways to breach these defenses. During World War II, Allied bombers faced heavily fortified German positions. These positions were critical to the German war effort, housing key infrastructure and command centers. These bunkers protected vital infrastructure and military command centers. The Allies needed to find a way to neutralize these threats. The thick concrete roofs proved extremely difficult to penetrate. Conventional bombs were often ineffective against these robust structures. The Allies needed something more powerful. They turned to their engineers to develop a solution. They developed massive bombs like the Tallboy and Grand Slam. These bombs were designed to penetrate deep into the earth before detonating. These bombs were designed to create an earthquake effect, collapsing bunkers from above. The sheer force of the explosion would cause the ground to shake, bringing down even the most fortified structures. The need for effective bunker-busting weapons has only grown since World War II. As military technology advances, so too does the need for more sophisticated means of attack. Countries like North Korea and Iran have invested heavily in underground facilities. These nations understand the strategic advantage of subterranean fortifications. These bunkers house weapons systems, command centers, and other critical assets. They are designed to protect against aerial and ground assaults. Destroying these hardened targets requires specialized weapons. Precision strikes and advanced munitions are essential to overcoming these defenses. These weapons need to be able to penetrate deep underground and deliver a devastating blow. The ongoing evolution of military technology ensures that the battle for underground dominance will continue. The Gulf War in 1991 highlighted the urgent need for a new generation of bunker busters. The conflict showcased the limitations of existing military technology when faced with deeply entrenched and fortified positions. Iraqi dictator Saddam Hussein had constructed an extensive network of underground bunkers and command centers designed to withstand conventional bombing. These bunkers were buried deep beneath the Iraqi desert, making them nearly impervious to the bombs in the U.S. arsenal at the time. The United States Air Force quickly realized that their existing bombs were not up to the task of penetrating these heavily fortified structures. They needed something more powerful, something that could penetrate the Iraqi defenses and reach the command centers buried deep underground. The urgency of the situation led to a crash development program, where engineers and scientists were tasked with creating a new type of bomb in record time. The goal was to create a bomb that could penetrate the earth and concrete to destroy these deeply buried targets. This new bomb had to be capable of destroying Iraq's deeply buried bunkers and command centers, ensuring that the enemy's strategic capabilities were neutralized. The project was given top priority, with resources and manpower allocated to ensure its success. Engineers and weapons designers worked around the clock, often in high-pressure environments, to develop this groundbreaking weapon. They were racing against time to develop a weapon that could change the course of the war and provide a decisive advantage to the coalition forces. The result of their tireless efforts was the GBU-28, a revolutionary new bomb. It was designed to obliterate even the most heavily fortified targets, changing the landscape of modern warfare and setting a new standard for military technology. The GBU-28, nicknamed the Bunker Buster, is a truly impressive feat of engineering. Weighing in at over 5,000 pounds, it is one of the largest precision-guided bombs ever built. Its size is not just for show. The GBU-28 is packed with a massive warhead. This warhead is designed to penetrate deep into the earth before detonating. This creates a massive shockwave that can cripple even the most heavily fortified bunkers. The bomb gets its incredible penetrating power from its unique design. It has a hardened steel casing. This allows it to punch through layers of concrete and reinforced steel. The GBU-28 is also equipped with a delayed action fuse. This ensures that the bomb explodes only after it has penetrated deep into its target. This maximizes the destructive power of the explosion. The GBU-28 was rushed into service just in time for Operation Desert Storm. This was a critical moment in military history as the need for a powerful bunker-busting bomb became evident. The first bombs were delivered to the Persian Gulf on February 20, 1991. These deliveries were part of a rapid deployment strategy to ensure that the coalition forces had the upper hand. They were loaded onto F-111F fighter bombers, which were among the most advanced aircraft of their time. These aircraft were specially equipped to handle the massive weapons. The modifications included reinforced bomb racks and advanced targeting systems. The pilots who flew these missions faced significant risks. They had to be highly skilled and extremely brave to undertake such dangerous operations. They had to fly low to ensure the accuracy of the bomb. This low-altitude approach was necessary to penetrate the fortified structures. This made them vulnerable to enemy fire. Anti-aircraft defenses were a constant threat, requiring pilots to be on high alert at all times. On February 27, 1991, just days after their arrival, 2 GBU-28Es were used in combat for the first time. This marked a significant milestone in the conflict. The target was a hardened command and control bunker in Baghdad. This bunker was a critical node in the Iraqi military's communication network. The bunker was buried deep underground. Its location and construction made it a formidable target. It was believed to be impervious to conventional bombing. The GBU-28 was specifically designed to overcome such challenges. The F-111Fs released their massive payloads. The precision and power of these bombs were unparalleled. The bombs sliced through the air and slammed into the Iraqi desert. Their descent was a testament to advanced military engineering. The impact created massive explosions that sent shockwaves rippling through the ground. The sheer force of the detonation was overwhelming. The Iraqi command center, along with everyone inside, was completely destroyed. This operation demonstrated the devastating effectiveness of the GBU-28. Section 5. A bomb that shook the world. The successful use of the GBU-28 in Operation Desert Storm sent shockwaves through the world. Military leaders were stunned by the bomb's effectiveness. The GBU-28 had proven that even the most heavily fortified targets were not invulnerable. This had significant implications for future conflicts. The GBU-28's impact was not limited to the battlefield. The bomb's existence sparked intense debate. Experts and policymakers grappled with the ethical and strategic implications of such a powerful weapon. Some argued that the GBU-28 was a necessary tool. They said it was needed to counter the growing threat of underground bunkers. Others expressed concern about the potential for collateral damage. They worried that such a powerful weapon could cause unintended casualties. Section 6. Beyond the battlefield, the GBU-28's legacy. The GBU-28's legacy extends far beyond Operation Desert Storm. The bomb's development marked a turning point in military technology. It ushered in a new era of precision-guided munitions, capable of destroying targets with unprecedented accuracy. The GBU-28's success also spurred a global arms race. Countries around the world began developing their own bunker-busting weapons. They sought to counter the perceived advantage that the United States had gained. This arms race continues to this day, leading to the development of even more powerful and sophisticated bunker-busting bombs. Section 7. Continued relevance in modern warfare. The GBU-28 remains a vital part of the U.S. military arsenal. It has been used in several conflicts since its debut in Operation Desert Storm, including the wars in Afghanistan and Iraq. The bomb has proven to be effective against a variety of targets, such as underground facilities, cave complexes, and hardened aircraft shelters. The GBU-28 has also undergone several upgrades since its introduction. These upgrades have improved its accuracy, range, and penetrating power. The latest version of the bomb, the GBU-28E/B, is equipped with a GPS guidance system, allowing it to hit targets with pinpoint accuracy. Section 8. Ethical Considerations and the Future of Warfare. The development and use of weapons like the GBU-28 raise important ethical questions about the nature of warfare and the potential for collateral damage. Some argue that the use of such powerful weapons is justified, saying it is necessary to protect civilian lives and achieve military objectives. Others contend that the potential for unintended consequences is too great, advocating for greater restraint in the development and use of bunker-busting weapons. The debate over the ethics of bunker-busting weapons is likely to continue. As technology advances, we can expect to see even more powerful and sophisticated weapons developed. It is crucial that we engage in a thoughtful and informed discussion about the implications of these weapons to ensure they are used responsibly and ethically. Section 9. Conclusion. The GBU-28's place in history. The GBU-28 bunker buster is more than just a bomb. It is a symbol of military might and technological innovation. Its development and use have shaped the landscape of modern warfare. The GBU-28 serves as a stark reminder of the destructive power of technology and underscores the importance of carefully considering the ethical implications of new weapon systems. The GBU-28's impact on military history is undeniable. It will continue to be a subject of fascination and debate for years to come. As we move forward, it is essential that we learn from the past and strive to develop and use military technology responsibly and ethically. The future of warfare and indeed the future of humanity may very well depend on it.